Welcome to Try This DIY. In today's video, I want to show you how to put a Blackstone grill together. I cannot wait to grill on this for my family, so let's go ahead and dive in. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and take the grill body and lay it on a flat surface. You can put some cardboard down if you would like to protect it. Then you will go ahead and open up the legs. You're going to rotate the legs into the vertical position, and then you're going to install the two fixed wheels with the two small thumb screws. Then you'll install the two swivel wheels with a wrench and make sure that they are in the lock position. Next, you're going to go ahead and attach the bottom shelf and secure it with one large thumb screw right here. To be honest, this did take a long time for me to just finagle it back and forth in order for it to finally get in line, and then tighten it with this screw. Once you've got one side, then you can move to the other side where you'll also attach the propane holder with a thumb screw as well. Next, you'll go ahead and flip the grill over, which is pretty hard with just one person, so if you do have someone you can ask to help, it would be great. Then you're going to go ahead and put on the propane tank hanger with one bolt and then also one nut. Next, you'll go on the other side to install the paper towel holder by sliding it onto the slot beneath the right side shelf. You're going to secure it with two M6 by 12 screws and then also two washers. When you're finished, it should look something very similar to this. Next, you'll go ahead and put the knobs into place. Once you've put all the knobs on, then you can insert one AA battery into the ignition button so it will fire up the grill. Next, you're going to install the handle to the griddle body by using four M6 by 12 screws. Whenever putting something together, I do recommend using just a screwdriver, because multiple times when I've used some type of power drill, I have stripped a screw or messed up something that I had to then go back and fix. So it's just a lot easier if you have just a screwdriver just to use that in the first place. Next, you'll attach two side shelf brackets to the right side of the grill unit with four M6 by 12 bolts, and then you'll repeat this on the left side as well. Let me know in the comments, what are you most excited about grilling on your Blackstone? Next, you'll take one of the shelves and go ahead and attach the metal hooks on the end. After you've attached the hooks onto the end, then you can go ahead and begin attaching the screws on the inside of each of the shelves. Once you put the screws on, then you can go ahead and attach the shelf to the side. You'll notice that the top screws just hold it on in place, while the bottom screws are actually the ones that are attached to the main body of the grill. This way the shelf can slide down when not in use. And you will do this on both sides. Next, you install the drip tray. Next, you'll install the griddle top. You want to make sure that the pins are securely inserted into the corresponding holes. Again, if you do have a partner, this would be a lot easier with two people. Next, you'll attach the hooks on the inside of the griddle cover and the handles on the outside. The reason you're doing this is because the hooks are going to hang on to the back side of the grill once you're cooking. Then you can just place your griddle hardtop on your grill. So after you put your Blackstone together, the next thing you need to do is season your grill. You can check out another video over here, and I'll see you over there.